Welcome back to my channel. I just got off from work. I wrapped up a string of 11 12-hour shifts and I'm tired. It wasn't the most exhausting string of 12s, honestly. I did not have any catastrophes, thank God. And I had a lot of very good patient family interactions. So it was a nice, tolerable string of 12-hour shifts. But yeah, I'm just winding down. The kids aren't home yet, and I'm winding down before I have to cook dinner. I woke up this morning and decided to lose 20 pounds, and then my husband talked me down, so then I dropped it to 10 or 15. So I'm about to fry some chicken wings, but this is going to be the end of the road for me for a while because I need to get back on it. I ran a marathon in December. What I say ran, I finished a marathon in December. I only ran about half of it, but anyway. And since then, I've just been in major chill mode. And I will say, except for eating fried chicken when I cook it for the boys or eating Chick-fil-A, I'll eat Chick-fil-A French fries probably once, maybe even twice a week. And I don't really do a lot of bread except during my luteal phase. I'll indulge in avocado toast made with sourdough. And I don't really do rice again, except when I eat gumbo with the boys. But I say all that to say I don't really eat bad in general. I usually get my fiber. I eat a lot of fruits and vegetables and legumes and things with fiber. And I usually don't consume sugar. I don't eat a lot of sweets at all. And I also don't drink coffees that contain sugar, sugary beverages at all. But since the marathon, I've been actually since the holidays, since we got back from Texas, I've been super relaxed in major chill mode. And the past couple of weeks, I've been eating a lot more tortillas. So I'll eat a breakfast taco or we'll eat tacos for dinner. So I need to get back on it. And I haven't been working out at all. So basically, I decided to do this next week's video as a vlog style video. So come with me as I get myself all the way back together after 11 days of 12-hour shifts in the hospital. So I cut my hair the other day. It was 9 o'clock at night, spur of the moment. I decided to get, as my bestie called it, scissor happy. And this occurred. I'm not mad at it though. I think it's cute. But anyway, sorry about that. But anyway, so yeah. Oh, I forgot to tell you. I poured myself a glass of Gießen 0% alcohol rosé. I'm recording this on my phone, and my oldest son decided to call me and ask me if I would cook him some chicken thighs. This is the bodybuilder model son. But anywho, so what I was saying was I love wine. I love wine culture. I love nostalgia of having a glass of wine at the end of the day, but I don't love waking up in the middle of the night. I don't love the heavy feeling that you get after you drink wine. So I've been buying zero alcohol wine. That way I can enjoy my glass of wine at the end of the day without any of the nasty side effects or whatever. So that's what I've been doing about this time. So there was a slight change of plans. We are not frying chicken tonight. We did not have any oils for fried chicken, thank the Lord. That was probably divinely orchestrated. So we will be grilling. We had to pivot, so I lit up the grill. And we're going to grill some chicken wings, some chicken thighs. I have some corn on the cob to throw on the grill. And then I have some green beans. And then we have leftover gumbo from yesterday. So that's what the kids will be eating because that's all. I'm not cooking nothing else. Bye. Good morning, guys. It is the next morning. I really was very tired, and what you got yesterday was all that I had. So I look crazy this morning. This is me with no filters. My skin has been really terrible lately, but it's kind of coming back. Anywho, I'm about to throw some makeup on my face and get dressed and drop my son off at school. That's good enough to go. Big boy is over here yapping in the kitchen this morning. I did this. I set the camera up to tell you something, and then what was I going to tell you? Oh, that's what I was going to tell you. So when I work, I wear scrubs every day. Not fun at all. My scrubs are real practical and very much so for comfort. But when I'm off, this is the highlight. Just to be able to carry my little baby. I think I'm going to decorate her as well. We have some little bag charms that we're going to try out. So we'll do that, but I got to take the little one to school. And when I say little one, he's like a whole high school junior. He's just working on getting his license. So this is what we had to get to Costco as soon as they opened for, actually before they opened, and stand in line. This is a 24 count egg, or each package is 24 and they're $8. But if I didn't buy them today, then I possibly would have to pay $1 per egg. So that was important. I got this because I forgot I had this. This is like beer, I think. It's like red grapefruit. It's some kind of alcohol-free beverage with, it's like hop infused. We should put these in the refrigerator. We might indeed tonight. It has 15 calories, water, red grapefruit, blood juice concentrate, crystallized orange, hops, crystallized grapefruit, carbon dioxide. So basically, it's just a sparkling water beverage with hops infused. I'm not mad at it. I got tomatoes because I usually roast them, and then I'll roast them with garlic, jalapenos. I don't know why he likes to do that. The recipe is tomatoes broiled with garlic, jalapeno, and then I add salt, lime, and cilantro, and I blend it up and I make a homemade salsa that does not contain preservatives or additives or nonsense. I don't think anything else in my Costco haul is like worth talking about. Here you go. I'm gonna put that over there. Also got plenty of fruit, so the boys can always have fruit to snack on. We got apples. These are Honeycrisp apples, kiwi, bananas. We also have berries in the refrigerator. And then this is what I got from the farmer's market. I got this is arugula, so I can eat. I like to eat this as a salad with my omelets in the morning. I got some cilantro because I'm always making guacamole and salsa. And I got some zucchini squash. I just started buying this. I like it sauteed with a little salt and pepper, sauteed in a pan with a little salt and pepper. It's good for you. And then I got some curly kale. I'll probably make some kale and lentil stew with this, honestly. I got an onion. I just always keep that on deck for various things. And then I got a couple limes. So pretty much that's what I got from the farmer's market. I hope all this background noise is the noisiest. I hope it hasn't really disturbed everything. Thanks for your help, Bubby. So that's pretty much what I got from the grocery store. So I have to fix some breakfast and get ready for a meeting that I have in an hour. So Makito is the bodybuilder model, and he is working on, what are you doing right now? Let's talk about it.
I'm not a bodybuilder, is what I would like to say. I am a fitness extremist. I'm an extreme minimalist, is what I would like to say. Everything is extreme, but minimally so. Anyways, right now, my thing is I don't want to be built like a model. I want to have more of a build of like an actor. Because models are really skinny, and then actors are like, they look really good. Think of actor, I think of Brad Pitt from Troy, or I think of Chris Evans from Captain America.
Clarifying that, because I was like, wait, what? But anyway, so I'm a 43-year-old Dr. Mom, and I would like to lose 15-ish pounds. What do you recommend I eat? Or maybe not eat, just eat, but what do you recommend for me? Wait, before we start, tell us about your meal. What are we eating right now? Chicken and broccoli is the classic weight loss bodybuilder meal. Yeah. Classic fitness meal. That's correct. And what is that in your cup over there? What are we doing with that? Why? So back to my question. I want to lose 15 pounds. What are some things that I need
to do or to eat?
Well,
So to lose 15 pounds, you need to be working out 3 to 5 times a week.
when you say working out,
Either
like go walk,
either exercising 3 to 5 times a week, like weight training or hot yoga or Pilates or calisthenics, something like that. I would say introduce phase 2 cardio, and that basically is cardio where you're able to talk to somebody, but you're still exhaling a bunch. For foods, I'd say stick to, instead of chicken thighs, try chicken breast. Instead of ground beef, try turkey, try quinoa instead of rice. Instead of normal potatoes, sweet potatoes. Things like that. That'll really help you lose weight.
And what about sugar?
Oh, no sugar. You don't need to. Coffee with sugar is. You need to just drink black coffee. You don't need to drink sugary drinks. The only drinks that I drink currently are black coffee, milk, and water, and those are the only things you need.
And I would argue that as a full-grown adult,
no,
you do not drink milk. Baby calves drink milk. Baby humans drink milk. I don't think you need milk, but that's just me. But anyway.
What the milk is like if I want something filling or if I want something kind of sweet, but I can't drink like a soda or juice or something like that, like a sweet drink. It's just like
I agree.
Something else. But it's not unhealthy. Well, sparkling water is water, and wine, alcohol is not good for anybody.
That's why we switched to zero alcohol wine.
And alcohol suppresses.
It shuts it down. So your liver basically has to focus on metabolizing the alcohol.
So alcohol, I think it slows your metabolism is what it does. Well, alcohol slows your metabolism and tears up your liver.
Give my mic back. I don't necessarily disagree. I think I'm a little bit proud of him. He been listening to his mama. He been learning something. And did he tell y'all that? What else did you do the other day? He watched my YouTube video on how to create his capsule wardrobe, and he purged his wardrobe. So now we have a color palette, we have a style aesthetic, we're clear. We also have wardrobe gaps. We have a clear understanding and a list of our wardrobe gaps.
I'm ready to go.
Hashtag proud mama. We're ready to go thrifting.